Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gift, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I styled my old braids to look this beautiful. I'll be showing you two styles, style A and style B, which are both super easy and can be done by anyone with no experience in hairstyling. So this is how my braids look after more than a month. As you can see, it has become old, boring and discomforting because of its length. So I'm just going to style it and give it a new look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So without further ado, let's get right into the procedure. So I'm just putting part of my front hair to one side, whichever side you prefer, left or right. Then I'm going to braid all the way down to the level below my ear at my neck. This is how it looks from the sides. Then I'm going to go around the back braids with the front braids to form a bun. I'm going to fold the remaining end underneath. Then fold into a donut. I'll part my front hair into two sides, then braid the front part of each side to the level of my ear. I will go round the braids at my back with the two front braids in a crosswise direction and then tie. Then I'm going to fold it into a donut.